Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. I should get into this a little late this week because it's actually Monday. I was going to cook last night, I just wasn't feeling it. So I've been making butter chicken, never made it before. I like it, but I don't know why I just never made it. I'm thinking about it, I should have done some kind of holiday meal, but kind of dropped the ball. Maybe I'll do a makeup maybe, and well, let's get cooking. Alright, got some chicken thighs here. I need to get cut up. Alright, got my chicken cut up, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little seasoning on here. With some just curry powder. So, get that in there. A little salt. You're basically going to go from a bowl to crock pot, so a little sloppy mama just because I realized I forgot to grab a spoon. Alright. I'll just set that aside while I get my other stuff ready. I'm going to be prepping up some garlic, mushroom, and ginger. I'm going to do that off camera because I've already shown how to do that several times. Getting ready to start frying first batch. I realized I had to go reference the video real quick, but I realized I forgot to include chili powder as well. So, put that in there. Now it said turmeric, but I just put in curry powder, so we'll go ahead and put half of this in. And I'll fry the other half. Once this is done, I've got my mushrooms already prepped up. Got my ginger and garlic all chopped up, ready to go. It also comes with a can of tomato sauce, which kind of surprised me. I didn't realize I had tomato sauce. And then heavy cream. And then the recipe I saw called for water. But I think chicken stock will add a lot more flavor, so that's what I'm going to go with. Chicken stock. All about flavors. And I'm making, you might notice I'm using a big Dutch oven. That's because it's, I'm making enough for lunch for a couple days at work. So, 2 birds with 1 stone. Try to do a little bit of a close-up here. Such a big pot. And of course I'm using chicken thighs because I think they're a lot more flavorful than chicken breasts. Alright, first batch is cooked. Go ahead and get it pulled out. Should have went and got a proper spoon. Instead of making a big mess. A little more oil in here. Go with the rest of my chicken. Alright. Alright, like oil trouble. Alright. Batch number 2 is finally done. Again, I'm getting a little pissed off because it's taking longer than I thought it was going to cook this, and then I literally got to leave for work in like 30 minutes. Less than that actually, because I got to stop and get gas. Like, dude. All right. I got a lot of fawn at the bottom. I don't want to burn it, so I don't want to turn the heat up. So I got my mushrooms, which I need to get cooking. And the moment those are, the mushrooms just soak up everything. I'm gonna put a little chicken stock in there because I want to try to scrape up some of that goodness at the bottom of the pot. I don't want to. All that is just flavor. I guess it'll steam my mushrooms too. So. Actually, it kind of did. So, go ahead and add my garlic and ginger. That looks really good. Probably get you in closer. Put the chicken in. Got my tomato sauce, which I'm really wondering if I have enough tomato sauce. I'm going to put in my heavy cream. I'm going to put in chicken stock. I'll just do a half a can. And I'll use the stock to clean the can out. And there we go. I still got it on high heat, but let's see if I can work that bottom a little bit. I gotta let this sit and simmer for, I think it said 10 minutes, which I don't really have, but I'll just have to do it anyway. So, I think I'm gonna do those. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the seasonings. If I can open it. Come on, you jerk. There we go. So, I know Sloppy Mama is a Cajun seasoning, but I like the flavors of it. So, a little bit more chili powder, and then salt. Not a ton of salt, but some salt. Get a nice stir. I'll lid this sucker. Now you're probably over there thinking, wait a minute, this is butter chicken. Where's the butter? Like, I got you. I got butter right here. I didn't forget. So you got a nice little bubble going. This is a whole stick of butter, by the way. But, you know, look at the amount in here. I mean, it's not like it's a little bit. You know, I mean, this pot's halfway full, so this should be done. Well, it looks pretty good. And I'm trying to make sure I scrape that bottom up. Alright. Let it cook just a little bit more. Well, it smells good. So let that wrap up. Well, I'll tell you what. It smells really good in here. It smells fantastic. Make sure we get some of that some of that sauce. I'm also going to dish up at lunch tonight for work later, which I got to leave in 3 minutes. I don't know how that's going to happen. Alright. I really hate having to rush. It sucks. So, butter chicken. I really wanted to make naan bread, but I'm glad I didn't now because I wouldn't have had time. Maybe next time I'll do naan. Oh, I love naan bread though. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Not bad for a first time. Chicken's nice and tender. Rice, well, I use my rice cooker, so of course that came out great. Got that garlic, the ginger. I put a little black pepper on it before I dished in. I'll tell you what, for a first time, that was really good. It's definitely going in my rotation for meals. Not hard to make. It took a little longer than I thought, but next time I'll try to predict a little bit better. The sauce is delicious. The chicken's nice and tender. Spot on. Definitely gonna be. And I ended up getting 6 meals. I ended up getting 6 days, 5 days of lunches out of it, plus my lunch here today. So, man, money. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the up here on the screen. There'll be the link for Cast Iron Wednesday playlist. Don't forget to check Shovelhead8, Sean over at Shovelhead8. He's the one who kind of keeps everything going. Appreciate your hard work, brother. And then last week's video will be on the end screen as well. Have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.